episode of Real Beauty, Real Food, Real Life. This is SJ here. And today we're going to use another cleaning hack. This is my shower nozzle. I've probably had this nozzle for maybe a year. This is what it looks like. So we're going to try to use a cleaning hack. We're going to try it with cleaning vinegar. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put me some in a bag and tie it up over the shower nozzle. So let's see how that's working. And then I'm going to put it on the shower nozzle and tie it on there. So I tied a knot, and then I ended up putting a rubber band on it because I didn't like how loose it was. Alright, so as you can see, the vinegar is in there. And actually, it looks like some of the dirt is coming down now. We'll see. I'm going to leave it on there for about an hour. And I'll check it out. It's been a couple of hours later. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, you can see my little hands because you've been out in the cold. What do y'all think? Well, as you can see, all right, so look at this one. Focus. All right, so you see the brown on there. And all I'm going to do is take my finger. Oh, yeah. I think that's working. You see the bag got some stuff in there. All right, so I'm going to finish it up. Check it out. Looks pretty good. All right, so there you have it. I used the vinegar, soaked it in there. I did soak it for a few hours though. And this is what I get. So if you've got any cleaning tricks, yeah, comment below and let me know what you think. Please, if you're not subscribing, hit that subscribe button. And definitely comment below. Let me know if you want to see me try anything else, because I am prepping for a new remodel of my bedroom next. It'll be a little bit before I get to it, but you will see it when it's done.